Good morning, crawlers. Willie's on course with the red bolt. I just put on some 39mm shocks yesterday for him. And he's running 54mm Injora tires. And he's crawling the course. Nice and easy. Oh, that's a slippery rock. You can see it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Easy. Off camber. Gotta be careful you don't roll it. Using the sliders. Oh, yeah. The garage is 0 degrees Celsius this morning. Just like the fridge. Gonna line up the mountain. That spray foam is slippery when it's cold. Line her up. Nice. Somebody parked a Lexus over here. Are you gonna go for the whole saw bridge or go underneath? Okay. Nice. Oh, look at the flex. Ooh, he almost hit the concrete below, but he did not. That's the way she's meant to be driven. Okay, now go across the backside again. Hang on. Back up a little bit. See, that's a tough climb there. Nice, that's the way. Nice and easy. High centered. Oh, you got it, yep. Now you could go up the mountain on this side. This side's tricky. There's only one way to get up this side with all those boulders. And these tires are old. Oh, he's bouncing up. You gotta go left a little bit, yeah. Now you gotta go slow. Oh, she's gonna roll. She's coming off. Oh, if you could save it. Oh, I'm surprised it didn't fall off of there. Okay, you gotta put your front tire right here.
Okay.
And then up, you gotta miss this one. But you gotta crawl, eh? You gotta crawl, you can't bounce. There it is. Nice and easy. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, he saved it. Now what are you gonna do? You can't climb up there. There you go. Don't be silly, Willy. Easy. Now you gotta back up a smidge. Go right. Okay.
The end.
Now remember, put your front wheel up here. Let's do a little bit. You still got battery. Yeah, easy. Slippery, slippery.
The end now?
Sure.
Yay, bye.
Take it easy. Thanks for watching.